This is less of a recipe, but more of a reminder of how wonderful an assortment of sandwiches are. I don't know about you, but when I go to a party and there's a beautiful rainbow of freshly made sandwiches, they're the first thing to go. So I'm going to show you a few of my favourite fillings. We start with the base of the sandwich. I'm going in with some butter. And yes, you could use wholemeal bread, but I just like to keep mine super classic with white bread. So butter first, on with some cheese, and then the deli cuts. Salami works really well. I like classics like ham. This one's a honey leg ham, and also shaved turkey is a fantastic filler for these sandwiches. So for the honey ham, I'll add 2 or 3 slices. This is lovely and thin, so I can add 2. And then all of the other toppings, and really taking all the way to the sides, so when we cut them, we've got perfect triangles. I love beetroot, so beetroot can go on next. Some carrot over the top. Shredded iceberg lettuce over the top. And while we're sticking with the old school theme, some alfalfa. You can add some tomato to this. And that's the first one done. Then you can be really creative with all the different sandwiches. I know personally I can't have a sandwich without some chutney, so the next one is going to be turkey and chutney. So there you have it. There's my assortment of sandwiches. I guarantee you, next time you have a party and you need to bring something, bring these sandwiches. They'll be the first thing to go. They always do, because they're just that tasty.